Namaste dosto. Welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the biggest sale that's going on for OceanWP lovers. Now when you are using a theme on WordPress to build your website, the top themes that we use normally, top free themes that we use normally are OceanWP, Astra, GeneratePress, and recently I'm also using Cadence WP theme. Okay, but one of these themes which I use extensively is OceanWP, not because it is free but because the features that it has. Okay, so a lot of my websites, a lot of my client websites are actually built on OceanWP WordPress theme. Now right now OceanWP is actually providing a Halloween discount of almost 20%, okay, for most of the products that they have. Now the theme as it is free. Okay, you can just download it from their website or from directly from WordPress, and you can install that theme on your WordPress and build your website. But along with that theme there are a lot of bundled products that come. Okay, so you can buy those products individually one by one, or you can buy the entire bundle, and where you'll obviously get a lot of discount. If you buy individually you'll have to pay more. If you buy together in one bundle you have to pay less. Okay, so on that less amount itself they are providing a discount of 20% right now. So to take the discount you can check the link in the description, and there is a discount code also that will be also there in the description. You can take it from there, and you can, if you are buying that product, you can obviously use that discount. Now not only about discount, let me tell about this theme a little bit more. Now this theme also allows you to change a lot of or customize your websites or your web pages lot more than the other two themes that I have actually mentioned. Okay, and along with these bundled products, along with this extra ocean extras that they call them, you can actually add a lot more feature to your OceanWP theme. Okay, so if you are an agency, or if you are someone who's building a big project on for a client, okay, or if you are actually getting someone to build your project, you can rely on OceanWP. It's a very old theme and it's very robust. They have been updating it every maybe 2 weeks or so. So there are a lot of people who are actually using OceanWP on the internet. If you see their historical sales, or if you see the number of installations that they have on their WordPress page, you'll understand that a lot of people from all over the world are actually using this OceanWP WordPress theme. So I'm a big fan of it. I love it, and my main website actually is built on OceanWP, which is stdws.com. So you can go there, you can check my website, you can see how it works, and if you like the theme, if you like the different features that it has, you can definitely go and buy that theme. Now that's all I'm going to talk about in this video, because I'm just trying to keep it short. It's kind of a news snippet for people who are looking for a robust theme which will be able to handle a lot of traffic, which you can use to build professional big websites. Okay, please go check the link, get the bundle whichever you want. There are some annual subscription model. There is also a lifetime model also, like if you buy it once you can use it for your lifetime. So I would suggest to buy lifetime things, because I don't really like on buying subscription based products, because right now you are paying maybe $5 or $10 per month. Next year they increase the price, so you'll be paying maybe more. Okay, maybe there is a possibility, but if you are buying something for lifetime, you are only paying one time for it, and you can enjoy the features or benefits for as long as your website is there. So if you are actually building a professional website, if you are actually building a website which you intend to keep for years to come, I would suggest that you go for the lifetime purchase of the OceanWP bundle. Okay, so all the links that you would need are there in the description. You will get a link to my website, like I said, stdws.com, where you can see how I have used that theme to build the website, and I'll also give the description the discount link. okay, from where you can get a 20% discount, this Halloween discount which is going on maybe for next few days. Okay, so check it out, and I'm sure you will love the theme. You will whoever actually has used it, I'm sure most of you have already used that OceanWP free theme. Okay, so you already know how good it is. I don't have to tell you anything more about it. So if you want to enhance, if you want to increase the capabilities, if you want to add more features to it, then please go ahead and buy the bundle from the link below. Okay, so that's all I have in this quick video. I hope you all are doing great. I'll probably make more videos on OceanWP. If you really want to know about the very good features that OceanWP has, which are not there on other themes like Astra or maybe GeneratePress or some other big themes, please comment below, and I'll probably make one video on that as well. All right, so take care, have a good time, and if you have any questions regarding WordPress designing or WordPress development, leave your comments below and I'll try to answer them as well. Okay, so that's all I have in this video. Take a lot good care of yourself because of the situations that we are in right now, and I really hope that whoever is watching my videos remain fine and fit. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. This is Dan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.